Russell, and this is my informative speech. In a way, Earth is like a tiny Chinese nesting doll. We are a planet among planets that is our solar system. Our solar system is among other solar systems that makes up our galaxy. And our galaxy is surrounded by other galaxies, but there's not a lot of information on that yet. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way, and there's approximately 20 million solar systems in our galaxy. The first Greek philosopher suggests that the bright band of the night sky was called the Milky Way was Democritus. Following him was Aristotle. He said that the milky fiery exhalation of many stars that were close together. Next, Muhammad, an Arabian astronomer, also called Al-Hazen, was the first to observe space in a telescope. He tried measuring it and found that the galaxy was not just between the Earth and the Moon. This pattern continued, and people kept finding more information about space. The galaxy is named the Milky Way after the milky look in the night sky and its disk shape. In 1610, Galileo Galilei, this guy, an Italian astronomer, used a telescope to find that the galaxy consisted of very many stars. He also discovered Jupiter on January 7, 1610. That same year in September, he discovered Venus, Saturn, and Neptune. He is the most strongly credited for the discoveries within our solar system. In 1750, Thomas Wright, an English professor, came up with a theory that the galaxy was a rotating cluster of stars held together with a gravitational pull. Edwin Hubble proved that there was more out there and that there is about 200 to 400 billion stars. Our solar system starts with the Sun and 8 other planets. It is approximately 5 million years old. The Sun is responsible for not only our energy and light, but also for space weather. Space weather comes from an energy carried through space by solar winds and near the Sun. The Sun is made up of hot plasma woven with magnetic fields. It is 409 times the size of Earth. It formed approximately 4.6 billion years ago. It is also what all the planets in our solar system orbit around. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is the smallest and the hottest as well. Its orbit pattern is approximately 88 days. Following that is Venus. Venus was named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. It is known for having volcanoes and has a lifespan of 100 million years. It is known to be Earth's sister planet and has an orbit pattern of 224.7 days. Earth is next. We know a lot about it because, of course, we live on it. Following Earth is Mars. It is the most explored by US, Russia, Europe, Japan, and it is named after the Roman god of war. It is the second smallest planet in our universe and has 2 moons named Phobos and Deimos. They are thought to be asteroids stuck in its gravitational pull. The Mars rover is how we have a lot of information on it. It is a motor vehicle that roams the surface of Mars and has helped us discover a lot. Following Mars is Jupiter. It is the largest planet in our solar system. It has 1 faint ring and 67 moons. It is the first of the Jovian planets, which are the ice and gas giants. The others are Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Saturn has 9 rings and 62 moons. It is 95 times the size of Earth. The core is made of iron, nickel, and rock. The next layer is metallic hydrogen, followed by a layer of liquid hydrogen and helium. And the final layer, of course, is gas, making it a gas planet. It has the largest moon in our solar system, which is Titan. Uranus is known to have rings and moons as well. It has wind speeds up to 255 meters per second. It is made up of ammonia and methane. It is the coldest planet in our solar system, having a lowest temperature of 224 degrees Celsius. The last planet in our solar system is Neptune. It is named after the Roman god of sea. It is twins with Uranus and is the last of the ice and gas giants. Pluto was a planet until 2006, where it became a dwarf planet and is no longer counted. It is 1/6 the size of our moon and the second smallest dwarf planet out there. It was discovered in 1930. That is the end of our solar system. Other solar systems in our galaxy are thought to be made the same way, with some Earth planets like ours, capable of sustaining life. Hopefully in the future, you'll be able to venture that far and discover exactly what is out there.